Alright, y'all, so this is one of the most basic videos on how to cornrow. I mean, like, it's gonna be messy, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is a video for someone who doesn't even know how to hold hair in that position. It's not perfect at all. I made sure to use a huge section so you can see what I was doing. This is honestly just to help that person who doesn't know how to cornrow at all. And being that we're in quarantine, you might as well learn, right? So what I'm doing now is I'm just separating the hair and making my own little section. So I already parted one side of the hair and I'm going to part another side for my row. Alright, so now that we have the section together, I'm just combing it through, make sure there's no knots or anything. The first thing you're going to do is just split your little section at the very top. So boom, you have your section, right? Cool beans. Now from the section that you've done, you're going to split that into 3. So that's 1 piece, 2 piece, and 3 piece. So now you have 3 pieces for your cornrow. So when you start a cornrow, it's always important to know the braiding motion, right? So the braiding motion is you're going to flip your wrist inwards, grab the center, right? Then you let go, you hold this with the other hand, flip your wrist inwards, grab the center, let go, okay? Then you hold this with this hand, flip your wrist inwards, grab the center, let go, right? So it's gonna look like this. Wrist inwards, grab center. Wrist inwards, grab center. Flip your wrist inwards, grab center. Flip your wrist inwards, grab center. Flip inwards, grab. Flip inwards, grab. In, grab. In, grab. So when you're done, your braid should look something like this. So that's just how you do a regular braid, right? That's just the motion. You're going to use that same motion for cornrowing, right? So same thing, separate the hair, cool, split it into 3, right? So we're gonna do the same thing and start the same way. Flip that wrist or palm inwards and grab the center, right? Let go, grab it with the available hand. Flip your wrist inwards, grab the center, let go, grab it with your available hand. Flip the wrist inwards, grab the center, let go, grab that piece with your available hand. So we're going to do that one more time. Inwards, right? Grab the center piece, let go, and grab it like this. So now that you can see a little braid at the top is starting to form, cool, that's when we start adding more hair. So at this position that you are right now, you're going to do the same thing. Flip that wrist inwards, grab that center piece, let go, right? So when you let go, you have this piece here. But I'm going to put that over my hand because before I grab it again, I'm going to go on this side, right? And I'm going to take some hair and add it to this finger. So in between this finger, boom. Then you grab that piece again. You twist that wrist inwards. You grab that center piece. You let this go, so I like to put it over my hand, grab some hair, put it in between those fingers, cool. Then you're gonna do, grab this piece, flip that wrist inwards again, grab that middle piece, let go of this and put it on your hand, right. Grab some hair, add it in between those fingers, right? Then you're going to flip that wrist inwards. You see that? Grab that middle piece. Let go of the outside piece. And add some hair. And put it in between that fingers. Flip that wrist inwards. Let the outside piece go. Grab some hair, put it in between the two fingers. So same thing. Grab some hair, flip that wrist. Grab the middle, let this go. Grab some hair, put it in between, flip that wrist, grab the center, let this one go. Then you're gonna do the same thing. Now when you're at the end, you just keep flipping that wrist, right? Flip inwards, grab, inwards, grab, inwards, grab, inwards, grab, inwards, grab. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you cornrow. Now I'm just gonna do it again without talking. Alright, y'all, so that's literally the most basic way to do a cornrow, and I mean, like, it's still messy, the parts are loose, but this is just for somebody who literally doesn't know how to do anything with hair. So once you perfect this, then you can work on making it tighter and neater and getting even better at cornrowing.